Welcome! In front of me I have ULEFONE Smartwatch, and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this watch by using the system settings. Before we start, if you want to factory reset your watch, make sure that the battery level on your watch is at least above 20 or 30%, because if the battery dies during the resetting process, it might damage your watch. Now let's continue with the reset. So first thing you will need to do is to wake up the screen on your watch or turn on the watch. If you need to turn it on, press and hold the side button, and if you need to wake up the screen, simply press the side button. After you turn on the watch or wake up the screen on it, you should see the home screen, the current watch face, and now you can swipe left on the screen to open the menu, like this. And after you open the menu, scroll down through the menu, find the settings icon, and tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, let's scroll down, find the option called reset, and tap on it, and then tap on the check mark to confirm and start the resetting process. So tap on check mark, and now let's wait until the resetting process is complete. And once you see the watch face again, it means that the factory reset is complete. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.